Hello guys, this is the voice of Mr. Bololo, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can make meat pie, right? As a man, as a father, and this is me, slicing the Irish potatoes, and afterwards then I have to dice it into smaller bits, and here is me pouring the flour in the bowl, right? And I added a little salt, and I did add my baking powder as well. All right, so I had a bit of I think that was salt, and I had to stir them together. And this is me adding the butter. Always make sure that your butter is in the fridge, right? So you need it to be very cold. All right, so now I have to mash them together, and that's me, just doing my thing, So when you realize that it's a bit crispy, then that's when you have to go to the next thing. So I actually have to create a hole. I have to pour my cold water, and I have to just mash them together, stir them together with my hand until I have like a dough. So you keep stirring them. So this is the result. All right, so I have to just divide it into two, and this is what it looks like. So after dividing, I have to put them in a cling film. Then I have to put it back in the fridge. So this is my minced meat, my carrots, my potatoes, my sliced onions. So everything is all diced. Then I have to pour the vegetable oils in the pot or in the pan, as the case may be. Then the first thing I have to do is just to pour down my onions, add the minced meat. So so you stir till you have like should I call it brown or something, but you keep stirring till you the color changes from red to like brown, kind of. So afterwards I had to pour my salt, and had to put like ginger powder as well. Then the next thing I did was to add my curry and my thyme. So that's curry and thyme, not my thyme, but curry and thyme. So I have to stir them together, wait for it to simmer for a little bit. Then I keep stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring. After a while, I had a little bit of salt again. Now we have to pour the diced potatoes, right? And afterwards, then we have to add the carrot, I guess. Carrot. Yeah. I was waiting for that. So that's the carrot. So I have to stir them together. I keep stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring. So this is the corn flour. The reason why I'm adding this corn flour is to make it thick, So sometimes you mix it with water before pouring the bowl. I just decided to just pour it, and I added my water. So you can see the result. So this after about 5 to 10 minutes. So just make sure that the potatoes, the carrots, they are a bit soft. All right, so it's time to move on to the next thing. So this is me with my rollers, trying to roll the dough, keep rolling. And you know what I did? I improvised using this cup to form a very big circle. So I had to break the egg. So now it's time to put the fillings, the meat pie fillings, into the dough. So can you see the result? So I have to to fill in all those edges around the circle. I have to fill it with egg. So this is me doing it the old way. This is the old style, the OG style. So I actually made those beautiful lines at the edges, right? And this is what we have. All right, so this is me doing another one, and together I think I made like up to 20 something meat pie. So now the egg, we have to just keep spreading it around the meat pie, just to plaster or just to give it that nice look. So I had to do this. So at this point, I don't know what to say any longer, so just bear with me. So afterwards, I had to use, the fork to create, holes, at the top. I don't know why people do this, but it is what it is, because we've been seeing this, back home in Nigeria, and so I just had to do it. Now, guys, this is the results. Whoa, come on now, talk to me. Talk to me. All right, so if you need tutorial on this one, just drop your request in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Make sure you to subscribe. All right, click on the notification button, subscribe, share, like. All right, this is Mr. Bolu Olowo signing out. Love you guys. Bye bye.